Our future is threatened by climate change. Everyone is part of this huge worldwide problem, including companies such as Bed Bath & Beyond. Current consumption patterns are socially and environmentally unsustainable, leading to huge amounts of waste and pollution. Bed Bath & Beyond already takes action to combat climate change. They focus on sustainable packaging, try to reduce greenhouse gas emissions by transport, and they power their sites with renewable energy. However, these incremental changes do not contribute enough to tackle the huge issue. The company should move towards more radical innovations. Therefore, as business sustainability and innovation consultants, we propose Bed Bath & Beyond to attain a higher level of circularity and move towards sustainability-rooted behavior. To implement this, we propose a redesign of the company's business model, supply chain processes and products. Advise the company to move towards a recycling business model because the variety in offered products and the thereby existing possibilities for down and upcycling. To comply to this new business model, the products and processes should be redesigned, making them so they build on the aspects of recycling. There are several options to retain value throughout the supply chain which can lead to a higher level of circularity. The first is refusing the use of non-recyclable materials by exclusively partnering with suppliers who use recyclable production inputs. The second is recycling products at the end-of-life stage by partnering with recycling facilities to process the waste streams. Thirdly, the company could implement repair and refurbishment services to extend the lifespan of its products. Some of the most important products of Bed Bath & Beyond are the mattresses. Through redesign, mattresses have a high potential to become more sustainable because they consist of many materials. Design for dis- and reassembly makes it easier to disassemble products into individual parts and reassemble these parts again. By making mattresses modular through including removable layers and segments, all parts can then be properly recycled without having too much trouble trying to remove different parts from each other. This design can be combined with offering repair and refurbishment services, where old parts can still be utilized after the first use cycle, prolonging the life cycle of the mattresses. By adopting a higher level of circularity, Bed Bath & Beyond will contribute to better informing consumers who acknowledge the unsustainability of current consumption patterns. The aim is to shift these patterns to greener alternatives by creating awareness of the limits of resources. Therefore, it is also important to include the redesign into the company's marketing strategy. The current campaign, Home Happier, focuses on the feelings Bed Bath & Beyond's products generate. In order to obtain a greener image, the company will need to implement an innovative, informative marketing strategy that will focus on both a happy home as well as a happy planet, introducing a new slogan, Home Planet Happier. We believe that if Bed Bath & Beyond implements the proposed redesigns, they will not only give their customers a happy home, but they will also give them a happy planet.